Welcome. This is my industrial project. It is a smart irrigation system controlled by Arduino. Over here we have the Arduino MKR 1010 Wi-Fi. It's currently connected to the network via Wi-Fi. Connected to it is a 2-channel relay module. The current state of the relays are low, so that means they are off. If the light goes on, it's off. If the light goes off, the relay is on. Over here we have the sensor pod. There's a moisture sensor, the blue humidity sensor, and the black temperature sensor. Currently the moisture sensor is measuring the moisture in the wet dirt, and over here we have some dry dirt. Moving over here, we have the Arduino app, or the Smart Irrigation app. Over at the top, we have all our live data, the current temperature, humidity, the real feel, and the current moisture, which is sitting at 83%. Below that, we have our zone settings. There are 2 zones, zone 1 and zone 2. So currently zone 1, you can set either to be in automatic mode or in manual mode. In manual mode, you can set your start time. Let's set our start time to now. You can set your run time. Let's set it to 5 minutes. And you can set the days of the week you want the irrigation to run on. Since it's Tuesday today, we'll tick Tuesday. Below that, we have our general settings. This is your general moisture set point. Anything below that is deemed too little moisture. Anything above is enough moisture. Over to zone 2, we can see zone 2 is on automatic, and once it's triggered, it'll run for the set run time. We can save the settings, and that will broadcast and save the settings to the Arduino. Over here, we have ThinkSpeak with all 7 of our fields. We have our sensor temperature. We have our online temperature gathered from the web. We have our real feel. We have our relay state, either off or on. We have our humidity field. We have our online humidity, which is also gathered online, and we have our moisture, which is currently at 84% as seen. It also tracks the current weather condition, and it's currently clear. Over on this side, we are connected via serial to the Arduino. It is currently displaying all the settings. It's gathering the online data. It calculates the day of the week. It calculates if the current time is inside or outside the time bounds. It displays the relay state. It checks the condition and then puts the zones on or off. Currently it is waiting. It calculates the data every minute. So over here, I'm going to set the moisture to the dry soil. We will then see it gathering the data, and over here we can then see that both the lights are off, meaning that relay 1 and relay 2 is engaged and the system will be active. It's been about 2 minutes since the start, and since the zone 2 is on automatic with a runtime of 3 minutes. After 3 minutes it'll switch off. After 3 minutes it displayed that relay 2 is now off. So it's been about 5 minutes after we set zone 1 to start, and as you can see, both LEDs are on now, thus meaning that the system is off. Thank you, and bye-bye.